my name is Anikat and welcome to another video. Okay, so I made these incredible things. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. They're the most amazing things I think I've ever created in my entire life. 100%. Okay, so, alright, I'm gonna try to get through this without like laughing, but you know what? I'm probably not going to. So, let's go. Alright, so we have the Incredible Nugget, Hawk Nugget, the Black Nugget, Iron Nugget, Captain Nugget, and my personal favorite, Chris Hem's Nugget. Now, I was gonna do like something with Thor, but you know what really goes with Thor? So I decided to just go with his name. He's majestic already. Let's go. Thou art not Thou art not worthy for this nugget. I can't. Thou art not worthy for this nugget. It's funny, okay? I'm laughing, and that's all that matters, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. People are looking at me weird. Okay, so, now, if your eyes can bear to see any more perfection than it already has, then you may watch the creation of these nuggets. Yeah. Yep. Play film. Okay, now that you've gotten through that amazing, sheer, like, genius that came up with all this stuff, and if your eyes have not been scalded by the sheer perfection that is the big Avengers. No. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!